Over the last 2 to 3 months, I've been building BrickyBrick.com. For reference, I am a software engineer with over a decade of experience, and I just wanted to walk through some of the tech that I use to build this website. I've been using Notion to keep track of all my notes, and as I've added new tech to the app, I just add another line item in this table to kind of keep track of everything in case I need it for a future app. But going from the top down, my domain is BrickyBrick.com. I purchased that through GoDaddy. I have my GitHub repo, which stores all my code. My front end is a Next.js framework. And then going below that, I have icons, which is the Phosphor icon set. My component library is Hero UI. I used lots of component libraries in the past, but I wanted to use Hero UI this time because I use it at work. And so it just made things kind of easy to deal with. My backend is Next.js as well, but also tied with Supabase. Supabase is great because it takes care of like my database, my image and video storage, authorization. If you go to the app, you have the ability to sign in through Google or through email and password, and Supabase just takes care of all that, which is nice. My payment processor is Stripe. It's been a great learning experience, but it's also been great to work with. When a user animates a Lego, I send out an email triggering that it's done, and I use resend for that. As far as deploying or actually hosting my website, I do that through Vercel. Notifications, like in-app notifications, is triggered through Supabase. And then when you actually animate a video, that's done through kind of a whole pipeline of stuff, but the main video generation is the Kling model, and that's hosted through fall.ai. And then before a user is actually able to upload an image to be animated, I actually scan that image with Anthropic, and it makes sure that the image is appropriate for my user base. And then I have bot protection as well through Cloudflare Turnstile. That way, hopefully I can avoid bots just kind of inundating my application. And then a few others at the bottom, we have React Query for my API client slash caching. And then I use PostHog for analytics and Sentry for error logging. So that is the current tech stack that I am using, and I just add to that as I add new features to the application.